Hello people. Today we'll see how to work with picture and shapes in Excel. We use these very rarely in Excel, but it will be useful in PowerPoint. But you can use these options to make your Excel workspace more attractive. Here you can see a table with picture. We prepared this using Excel. Here you can see handshake tile with nice graphics. Here printer image with nice background tile. This is one of the shapes available in MS Office tools. We can take any screen print in Excel. Here I took the screen print as an image while preparing this presentation. These all are prepared in Excel using pictures and shapes. We'll see how to do that. Let's go to Excel. Here under Insert tab we have a segment called Illustration. Under this we have options to work with pictures and shapes. How to import picture to Excel? We have two options for this. You can bring image saved in your PC, else you can directly download from internet. First, we'll see how to bring an image saved in this PC. Go to Insert tab under Illustrations, click on this Pictures, then select the image file. Click on Insert. See, the image has been inserted. Once you import the image, looks like this. Using these small circles, you can change the size of a picture. If you move your cursor on this, the cursor will be changed to double arrow. This denotes you can resize the picture in this direction. First, move the cursor onto this circle. Once the cursor is changed to arrow, click and hold the mouse left button, then move mouse. See, the image size has been changed. You can change the picture size without using mouse. Select the image. You can see a new tab called Format. You can customize the imported picture by using these options. To change the size, go to Format tab. Under Size, enter the height and width of the picture. I am entering 5 cm height. See, the picture size has been changed. Based on the image actual size, the width also will get changed. Here under Size, we have other options called Crop. By using this, you can cut the image in the shape you need. First, select the image, go to Format, then click on this Crop Down. First option can cut the picture in box shape. Click on this. Adjust the size of this. Then unselect the image. See, the picture has been shaped as a box. You can cut the picture in different shape. Select the picture, go to Format, then click on this Crop Down. Go to Crop to Shape. From this list, select the shape you need. I am choosing this shape. See, the picture has been cropped in shape. We can adjust the picture brightness. Go to Format tab. Under Adjust, click on this Corrections. You can see multiple images with different brightness and contrast. These all are auto-generated. You can choose any of these if you need. Else you can customize. For customization, click on Picture Correction options. See here, left side, you can see a new panel. In this panel, you have multiple options. You can adjust the sharpness, brightness, contrast. You can change the color of the image as well. Select the image, go to Format, under Adjust, click on this color. You can see multiple images with different colors. These all are auto-generated. You can choose any of these if you need. Else, you can choose the color you need from this More Variations list. You can apply special effects as well. Select the image, go to Format, under Adjust, click on this Artistic Effects. You can see multiple images with different effects. Choose any one you need. I am choosing this. See, the effect got added to our picture. You can remove this effect by clicking on this Reset Picture. You can apply nice border and shadows to your picture. These are the few styles available. To apply any effect, just click on this. See, the style got applied. You can customize the shadow or borders using these options. Suppose I want to apply a shadow. Click on this Picture Effects. Go to Shadow. Select the shadow you want. I am choosing this one. See, now the image has shadow. Like this, by using Format, we can customize the picture. We have seen how to import picture saved in PC. We can download a picture from internet directly to Excel. Go to Insert tab, click on this Online Pictures. You can import using Bing search engine or OneDrive storage. I am choosing Bing. Click on this. Here you can search for the picture you need. I am searching for orange. See, below are the search result for orange. You can select the pictures you need by click on the picture. Once you select the pictures, click on Insert. I am choosing this picture. Click on Insert. See, the picture has been imported. That's how we can import a picture. We'll see how to prepare a table like this. First, enter the headers, serial number, fruit name and image. Make it bold and apply the borders. Enter the data. Our table data is ready. Place these pictures by reducing size in the respective cells. Now we will see how to work with shapes. To insert any shape, go to Insert tab under Illustrations, click on this Shapes. These are the different available shapes. You can click on the shape you need. I am choosing this. The cursor will get changed like this. Now click and hold the mouse left button and start moving mouse like this. See, the shape has come. You can customize this shape. Go to Format. Here you have multiple options. You can edit the shape by using this tool. Select the shape, then click on this. Now you can see some black dots. Using these black dots, you can change the shape. Click and hold any of these dots, then start moving mouse. See, the shape has been changed. You can choose the different styles from this drop down. I am choosing this. See, the style has been applied. You can enter the text inside this shape. Select the shape. Right click with mouse on the shape. From this, click on Edit Text. Now you can start typing. You can change this text style. I want to change the text color to white. Go to Format. Under O Styles, click on this text field and choose the color from list. See, the text color has been changed to white. You can customize your text by using all these options. We'll see how to prepare these shapes. Go to Insert tab under Illustrations, click on these shapes. Choose the rounded rectangle. Rotate the shape like this. Remove the outline. Change the background color. Apply the shadow for this shape. Take the same copy of the shape. Change this shape background color. Rotate this a little bit. The shapes are ready. Now import printer picture. Go to Insert tab and click on the picture. Select the picture. Click Insert. This is the picture I want to place in the shape. Resize it. Now move and keep the picture. Our shape is ready. Next, we'll see how to create this shape. First, insert the round shape. Increase the size to 3.3 centimeters. Remove the border. For this, open the Format shape. Expand this line. Select No line. Expand this fill. Here select Gradient Fill under Type select Radial. From Directions drop down, choose From Center. See, in center the color is less and it looks like white is spreading from center. Now we will change this blue color. Again go to Fill, click on this top, then choose the color. Again select this top and then choose another color. Import a new shape. Go to Shapes. Choose this oval colored shape. Change the size to 4 centimeters. Now remove the border. Open the Format shape. Expand this line. Select No line. Now change the background color to dark blue. See, the background has been changed. Now move this shape to make it nice shape. Now it is fine. Move the previous shape and arrange in middle. Our shape is ready. We'll import a handshake picture like this. Go to Insert tab and click on the picture. Select the picture. Click Insert. Now move and keep the picture. That's it. We have seen how to work with shapes and pictures. Now we'll see few shapes which are ready templates given by Microsoft. For this, go to Insert tab and click on the Smart Art. Here we have different types like list, process, cycle, hierarchy, etc. Select the shape you need, then click OK. I am selecting from cycle. Selecting this radial cycle, click OK. You can customize this shape using options under Design tab. I am choosing this color. You can convert into 3D shape. Click this drop down and choose the style. See, the shape has been changed to 3D. We have seen how to bring a picture to Excel. Now we'll see how to take a screen print. Go to Insert tab, click on this screenshot drop down. Here you can see available windows. Click any one of these. See, I am clicking on this. See, the screen print has been come as a picture. So far, we have seen working with pictures, different shapes, smart art graphics, screen clipping. That's all about this video. We'll see further concepts in our next videos. Any suggestions, please comment below.